Hello. Today I'm going to be printing a charging stand for my Pebble time watch. It's a great little stand. I can just set the watch on and it'll give it a charge up. The stand has a nice clip for your charging cable on the back, and it'll hold the cable in nicely with just the little bumps that it has built into the file. Unfortunately, the stand prints really light out of whatever plastic you're using, so you'll end up having the stand slide around on whatever desk or table you put your watch stand on, unless you put some sort of grippy something underneath it. I used some 3M wall hanging strips actually to stick it down in one spot, because they're really easy to remove. But you could use some Velcro or just tape it down or anything you'd like. Thank you to Gert Menke for the STL file. It's a really great file, and he's got it both standing upright and laying on the side, so you can print it whichever way is easier for you. I found it a lot easier to print it on the side, so that's the file I've linked to below. So here's the finished product, nice yellow watch stand, and you can see my other one there that I've printed in blue. Actually, I printed that one on my old 3D printer, a 101 Hero, and didn't come out nearly as well as this one did. So thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to the channel.